How to change version of Minecraft Java Edition? Open the Minecraft launcher, select the Minecraft Java Edition from the left menu, click the installation tab at the top, click new installation, click it and select the version. Depends on you, you can select the version, scroll down and select it. Click it and select it. After that, enter a name for your installation. Once entering after, you need to click the install button in the bottom side. Click it and wait for some time. Is downloading right now. Once the download complete after, it will automatically open. Thank you.